Hello everyone, myself Kushi. I am a law student in IME Law College and I am here as a legal intern in very popular law firm Lexicon Company. So guys, from this video, we are going to discuss the section 377 judgment of IPC. Recently, in 2018, the Supreme Court gave the judgment on the section 377 of IPC. The Supreme Court decriminalized or give a appropriation to the homosexuality by striking off the part of the section 377 of the Indian Penal Code, which are held violative of the fundamental rights of the LGBTQ community. So let's discuss that what Supreme Court observed in this judgment of Section 377 of IPC. Supreme Court made it clear that the Article 14 of the Constitution guarantee the equality before the law, and this applies that all classes of the citizen. This is also including the LGBTQ community also. Supreme Court upheld the pre-excellence of the constitutional morality in India by the observing that the equality before the law cannot be denied by giving the to the public or the religious morality. Supreme Court noted that the modern studies and the legislation recognize the gay persons and transgender do not suffer from the mental disorder and therefore cannot be penalized. Supreme Court also observed that the homosexuality is not a unique to a humans, which dispel that the prejudice that is it is against the order to of nature. Supreme Court stated that the Yogyakarta principle on the application of international law in relating to the issue of the sexual orientation of the gender identity should be appealed as a part of our Indian law. According to this principle, recognize the freedom of sexual orientation and the gender identity as a part of human rights, and they are outlined in 2006 in Jakarta, Indonesia by the distinguished group of international human rights experts. So, what is this section 377 of IPC? According to the 377 of IPC of Indian Penal are they are which was given by the British stated that however the voluntarily has a the kernel intercourse against the order of a nature with any man, woman or animal shall be punished. This include a private sexual sex between adults of the same sex. After the recent Supreme Court judgment, provision of section 377 remain the applicable in case non sensual carnal intercourse with the adult, all acts of carnal intercourse with the minor, an act is of bestiality. Now, what issues involved in this case? Fundamental rights. If we're talking about the fundamental rights, the sexual orientation and its relationship to the fundamental rights of individual has been at the heart of the debate. Supreme Court in its judgment specifically said that the right to privacy and the protection of sexual orientation lies at the core of the fundamental right guaranteed in Article 14 and 15 of the or Article 21, Article 19 of the Constitution. The Supreme Court, while uh, decriminalizing or give appropriation to the give a permission to the consensual sex between the homosexuals, observe that the member of the LGBTQ community possess the same fundamental rights as other communities, other human beings. The health issues also involved in the criminalization of the homosexuality leads the discrimination and the result of the LGBTQ people getting a foreign or inadequate access to service within within the health system. It is also create a barrier to both the availability and ability of the access of HIV prevention test and the treatment services. Public health evidence also indicates the clear relationship of the lack of social acceptance and legal rights to this substance abuse, violence, isolation, and mental illness. Next is the law and morality. Those against the legalizing the gay sex argue that it is against the moral value of the society. Some people think that. However, the activists arguing for it say that it is forbidden in religion, not need to be prohibited in law. This legalizing the gay sex, it is appropriate, and it is, we can say, we can forbidden in the religion but not prohibited in the law. Now the impact of decriminalizing homosexuality. Sexual minorities in India are one step too closer the living with the dignity. LGBTQ community will be able to come out in the open with their sexual preferences. Discriminalization faced by them in the accessing the health and their harassment by the police will cease. Decriminalization has not been associated with more self-acceptance as well the psychological and emotional security among the LGBTQ community. This community will super LGBTQ community to demand more progressive law like gay marriage, right to form a parentership, inheritance, employment equality, protection from the gender identity based on the discrimination among the others, and the judgment has opened up the gray areas and guidelines will be needed to deal with the cases where the say a gay individual withdraw consent and obviously a complaint against the partner. India's law on the sexual assault do not recognize man as a victim of rape. So some way that we have to accept the way forwards. We can say that through the judgment goes a long way to removing our stigma. You know, this judgment is a very big landmark. Judgment for the LGBTQ community. There is a need for the multi uh, uh, with the approaches to deal with the issue of the prejudice and the biasness or the discrimination prevent in the society against them. The LGBTQ community needs the anti-discriminalization law that empowers them to build the productive lives and the relation irrespectively of the gender identity of the or the sexual orientation or a place on this to change on the state and the society and not the individual. Government bodies especially treated the health and law order need to be sensibilized and made aware about the change position of law to ensure that the LGBT community is not denied the public services or harassed for their sexual orientation. This is about all about the criminalization homosexuality and Article 377, which proves a very landmark judgment of the Supreme Court. So this is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. Hope you understand this sensibility of this topic. If you have any question regarding this topic, then you have to ask me in the comment box. I will give my best to answer it. A very thank you to all to watching this video.